Emerging from the landscapes of Gilgit-Baltistan as the pioneers of microfinance, the bank expanded its footprint across the country with a mission to empower the unbanked and underserved. These Pakistanis are our biggest strength, and we are proud to be enabling their dreams into reality. Our customers are at the heart of everything we do. Through our suite of financial products which cater to diverse segments including agriculture, livestock, housing, micro SMEs, and by providing renewable energy solutions, the bank has been playing a pivotal role in empowering communities and driving economic growth. Our initiatives like Mashal, which focuses on women empowerment, augment our mission of banking on equality. By providing financial services for differently abled people, we are creating a more equitable financial landscape in the country. With our diligent teams, automated and efficient processes, and strategic management, HPL Microfinance Bank has been standing strong as the leader of the microfinance industry of Pakistan. Aligned with our mission and vision, our steadfast commitment to financial inclusion also earned us the Best Bank for Financial Literacy Award in 2024 by the State Bank of Pakistan.
At HPL Microfinance Bank, we're continuously looking at improving the quality of life of our customers, which means having new products and services, which means looking at convenience, which means looking at technology, which means looking at different solutions for our clients to access their financial services.
Digitization is in the DNA of HPL Microfinance Bank. With our customer management solution, we bring banking solutions directly to the doorsteps of the customers, reducing loan disbursement turnaround times and enhancing accessibility. With our mobile wallet, First Pay, we drive digital and financial inclusion, making banking simpler and more accessible. Of course, all of this would not be possible without our biggest asset, our people. As one of the most inclusive and diverse organizations in Pakistan, we invest in the growth of our employees via comprehensive training and development programs. Over the years, our efforts for diversity and inclusion have led us to win 37 Global Diversity, Equity and Inclusion Benchmark Awards.
Umeed se yakeen tak are keywords for us, for they define who we are. We should be with our customers from the start, and there's no end to it.
We also believe in giving back to the society and are hence committed to sustainability with our net zero mission, leading major initiatives to protect our environment. Looking ahead, we are confident in our ability to take this bank to new heights and to keep creating value for our customers, shareholders, and employees. HPL Microfinance Bank, turning hopes into reality.